Imagine receiving a guaranteed tax-free income every year till age 100 and a lump sum payout at the end, all while being protected for life. Presenting LIC's Jeevan Umang plan, a complete solution for income, protection, and peace of mind. Jeevan Umang, plan number 745, is a participating, non-linked, whole life insurance plan. You pay premiums for a limited term, and from the end of that term, receive 8% of your basic sum assured every year until 99, with a big payout at 100. Jeevan Umang is designed for those who want not just insurance, but peace of mind, income stability, and future security. Once your premium paying term is over, whether 15, 20, 25, or 30 years, LIC will begin giving you a guaranteed annual income of 8% of your basic sum assured every year. And this continues year after year until you reach 99. At age 100, the plan gives you a grand maturity payout, including your full sum assured, vested bonuses, and a final additional bonus, creating a financial celebration for your lifetime commitment. But that's not all. If life takes a different turn and you need a lump sum before age 100, you're still in control. You can choose to surrender the plan and receive the available maturity value with zero surrender charges after the initial period. You also enjoy tax benefits on premiums under Section 80C, and all benefits, annual income, maturity, and even death claims are completely tax-free under Section 10(10)(d). And throughout the journey, you stay protected with life cover that grows year after year, all the way up to 100. This is not just a policy, it's a complete financial foundation that supports you at every stage of life. This plan is open from 30 days to 55 years of age. Risk starts immediately if age is 8 or more. The policy matures at age 100. Minimum sum assured is 2 lakhs rupees, and there's no upper limit. LIC pays the sum assured on death plus bonuses if the life assured passes away. If alive at end of premium term, yearly income starts. At 100, a maturity payout with bonuses awaits. During the premium term, LIC adds simple reversionary bonuses every year. At maturity or death, a final additional bonus can boost your returns significantly. Add riders like accidental death and disability, accident benefit, term assurance, and premium waiver for added protection. You can tailor coverage as per your life stage and risks. Missed premiums after the first year? No problem, your policy becomes paid up, not lapsed. In paid-up mode, benefits continue in reduced form. Your nominee still gets the revised death benefit with bonuses. And if you survive to 100, you'll receive the maturity benefit with bonuses. If your paid-up maturity value is 2 lakhs rupees or more, you'll continue receiving annual income. If it's less, survival benefits stop. Loans and surrender are still available, but riders won't apply anymore. Even paid up, Jeevan Umang gives lasting value and lifelong protection. Mr. Kiran, age 35, chose a sum assured of 25 lakhs rupees. He pays for 15 years, receives 2 lakhs rupees yearly from age 50, and gets more than 2 crore rupees at maturity, as per the expected bonus rates, all for a net investment of 23.6 lakhs rupees after tax rebates. This plan is ideal for young parents, retirees, salaried professionals, and anyone who wants assured lifelong income and protection. Also perfect for gifting to children or grandchildren. Save on tax under 80C. And all payouts, whether survival, maturity, or death benefits, are fully tax-free under Section 10(10)(d). Income, insurance, bonuses, liquidity, tax savings, Jeevan Umang combines them all. It's not just a policy. It's your lifelong financial companion. Ready to create your own guaranteed future. Use the smart all-in-one calculator app to get your custom Jeevan Umang quote. Talk to your LIC advisor today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Insurance Funda for expert insights.